channel. So viewers, first I want to apologize to you that because of some technical problems I could not upload the results of my video which I have uploaded the last week of that puzzle competition. Because there was some technical problems I could not upload it, so I'm uploading that video today. It is also good for you, you got more time. So as promised, today I'll be declaring the results. So before declaring the results, first we need to know the answer of the puzzle. But before doing that, we have to do a countdown of 5 seconds again. So here is the puzzle which I have given you in the competition in my last video. So I'll now solve it as quickly as possible and will show you the correct answer. So the correct answer is in front of you and the correct answer is Bibi Ka Maqbara. So this is the correct answer. No answers like Taj Mahal or something like that is not accepted because Taj Mahal is not the answer, it is Bibi Ka Maqbara. So this is the correct answer. Now let me show you after a countdown of 5 seconds that who have become first, second, third and who have answered correctly and incorrectly. You can see the list of comments I have got from you in the heart puzzle competition video. So today is the date of declaring the results. So let me first check that who have first given the correct answer Bibi Ka Maqbara, which I have already told you. So let me first check that who have first given that correct answer. So let me first scroll down and check that who have first given the correct answer. So Madhusudan Ganguly have given the first correct answer. And his answer is Bibi Ka Maqbara, Aurangabad, Maharashtra. So Madhusudan Ganguly is placed first in this heart puzzle competition. So let me now check that who have given the correct answer after Madhusudan Ganguly. That means who have been placed second. Creatistic Me has given the correct answer after Madhusudan Ganguly, and Creatistic Me is placed second in this competition. Her answer is Bibi Ka Maqbara. It is a tomb in Aurangabad, made by Azam Shah. So, Creatistic Me has been placed second in this heart puzzle competition. Now let's check that who has become third. So in the third place we have Horizontal Me. But from Horizontal Me I have got two comments. In the first comment I have got Taj Mahal. In the second comment I think the answer will be Bibi Ka Maqbara in Aurangabad. So since the second answer is correct, so I'll take the correct answer. That means Horizontal Me is placed third in this competition. So Horizontal Me has given the correct answer and is placed third in this competition. Now let us check that who others have given the correct answers, which is Bibi Ka Maqbara. So here viewers, you can see that most of them has given the answer Taj Mahal, which is not the correct answer. So Sakshi Singh has given the correct answer after the ones who have become first, second and third. So her answer is the Bibi Ka Maqbara is a tomb located in Aurangabad in Maharashtra in India. So she is among the ones who have correctly answered this puzzle. So Sakshi Singh's name needs also to be circled because she has correctly answered. Next, let us see that who have given the correct answer. Tanaya Banerjee has next given the correct answer, but she has given two answers. So here also, like I have done for horizontal me, I'll do the same here. I'll take the correct answer only. So her answer is, it can be Taj Mahal or Bibi Ka Maqbara, both look the same. So I'll take Bibi Ka Maqbara, and in that case, she is also among the ones who have answered correctly, like Sakshi Singh. So viewers, I have just one more comment left to check, and that comment's answer is Victoria Memorial, which you all also know that is not correct. So from the beginning, let me tell that who all have answered incorrectly. First, horizontal me is there, but since I have taken the correct answer of horizontal me, so I will not tell that name in the list of the ones who have answered incorrectly. So in the first of the ones who have answered incorrectly, we have the name of Rameswar Hansda. The comment is, it's too easy of course, Taj Mahal, Agra, UP. In the video only I have told you all that it is not so easy as it is looking like. So, let me tell Rameswar Hansda that it is not easy and your answer is even wrong. Next we have Ansi Dang who have answered incorrectly. Pramita Banerjee also answered incorrectly. Kamlesh Kamalia, Shushmita Ghosh, Priyanka Somani, Shagun Gupta, Shubhasri Banerjee, Indrani Ganguly, World of Arts, Kanchan Maheshwari, and at last Tapan Chakraborty. So these were the names who have answered incorrectly. So viewers, I have shown you the names of the ones who have correctly answered, incorrectly answered, and the most important thing, who have become first, second and third. So I have declared the results, I have done my work. Now if any one of you wants to answer in this competition, then you can answer in the comment box and I will reply to you there only, since I have already declared the results. So I hope that you all have liked my video, and please everyone, it's my earnest request that you please subscribe to my channel. My subscribers goal is 1K. It really means a lot to me. Please help me reach my goal. Once if I reach my goal, then I promise to you, you will get a very exciting video to see in my channel. So please subscribe to my channel. I will also show you that how you have to do it, so that you don't face any problem in that. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon to get notified when I upload more new videos.